Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. Just want to show you some saws I'm working on today. On the right, some MS 200Ts. They were sent in to have the West Coast muscle saw build. And I'll start one of those up and let you listen to it. What I want to talk about today is the saws on the left here. That is a 455 Rancher in the background. It had an issue with running. A customer said it would kind of stall when it got warm. And the one on the left, of course, is a brand new saw. And I've taken a lot of calls over time about how to diagnose these saws properly. I want to go over a couple of myths and different things, way to properly diagnose a chainsaw. And get you in a little closer here. I've heard this a lot about with a decompression out and just grab the rope and let the saw fall down. You can kind of gauge what kind of shape it's in. And in comparison to a new saw, I really didn't see much difference. But I've been told that a lot. And I've heard that at some dealer meetings, the way to test it. And I've also done some compression testing. With the decompression valve popped out. And you're supposed to crank these until the gauge quits moving. And right at 158 on the brand new saw. This saw's got like a year or 2 years on it, the customer said, so you know it's hard to say when they tell you how much time is on it. We'll test it. Almost 150, 148. Most technicians would say, well, that's great. That thing is in good shape. Let me show you something else. This is a proper way to diagnose an engine, and most technicians for some reason never get this step, and I don't know why. Get that camera in closer there so you can see. Heavily scored, and the reason it's still got good compression, or fairly good, it's not perfect of course, is the ring is not stuck. It has started to seize several times, but it never did actually stick the ring, and so you've got some issues with that compression. Another thing you can do with a good trained eye, and I do this a lot, is just take the spark plug out, get you a nice high-powered light, shine in here with the piston all the way down, and you'll actually see scoring on the cylinder wall. You can actually see it in there. So anyway, that's the proper way to diagnose a saw, and if you do that, you'll have a lot less comebacks and just make the customer do a customer a lot better job.